Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the Bestech Pterodactyl. I really like this knife. It's kind of unique. It's got a nice blade shape to it and really nicely machined handles. So overall length is 8 3/8 of an inch, blade length 3 5/8 of an inch. There's the name of the knife right there, and it is S35 VN steel. Very nice choice. It's got a finger choil right here for a solid grip. You can grip it that way or this way. And it is a frame lock with a flipper. Handle length is 4.75 inches, and it is carbon fiber insert with titanium handles. And they are very, very smooth, very nicely machined. I like that quite a bit. This color is bronze, but we have green and blue. Let me check on that, but I'm pretty sure those are the other colors we have. Check them out on our website. I'll link up here. Boop, there. Overall weight is 4.37 ounces. Here's a tactical clothespin for size comparison. And you do have a pocket clip for tip-up right-hand carry only. And guys, I really like this knife. I think you will too. This is the Bestech Pterodactyl. Check it out at bladehq.com.